Welcome to Basics of Options Trading. After working through the material in the basic level, you should have a strong knowledge of the basics of options trading and the option markets. Buying and selling of stock options is covered along with the introduction to option terminology and some strategies presented in the intermediate level. Intermediate level, the language of options and options mechanics. Fundamentals of equity options, buying calls, buying puts, covered calls, protective puts, cash secured puts. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.